Hi all, very happy morning, happy afternoon or happy evening whenever you are watching this video. Welcome to ACE Online classes. We are doing a lot of classes, lot of live classes with only intention to help the students maximize their chance of clearing IBPS Clerk and probably beyond IBPS Clerk, any other bank examinations. In case if you are a student who is watching this session live, in case if you have not subscribed to ACE Online channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you will not miss any of the live class updates. For all the students who are new to this channel, welcome on board. We have already done, please go to the videos and you can see simplification. We have done 2 sessions based on students' request. We also did a quadratic equations special sessions. All are full length classes. Some sessions are close to 1.5 to 2 hours. Ensure that you watch that class. In this class, the class is full of arithmetic shortcuts. Arithmetic is an extremely important topic. Very important topic, and this class is going to be a class of full of shortcuts, full of concepts, full of best methods, full of easy methods and shortcuts, full of concepts and shortcuts. Full of concepts and shortcuts. I will take a topic, whatever the student is finding little difficult or probably the methods whatever he has learnt, they are all long methods. I will discuss the primarily the shortcuts related approach. The class is going to be anywhere from 90 to 120 minutes depending upon the concepts that we discuss. This is the second point. Third point, I will take a topic and the shortcut from that topic. Topic, shortcut or a concept. Topic, shortcut or a concept. This is how we are going to take the class. Topic, shortcut or a concept. Once your fundamentals are built, then we can do a lot of previous year IBPS Clerk PYQ questions. Arithmetic, I plan to do about 3 to 4 sessions. The first question is an concept builder. First question will give you an idea of how you should prepare for arithmetic in IBPS Clerk related examination. Then we will take all the PYQ related questions. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen and make a note of each and every important concept. Make a note of each and every important concept. In case if you got any doubts, kindly use the live chart. In case you got any doubts, kindly keep your doubts in the live chart. Whenever I get time right after few concepts, I will go through the live chart. I'll be very happy to explain your doubts. This class is primarily for all the serious and the sincere students. This class is primarily for all serious and sincere students who are preparing for bank examination, but of course because it's an arithmetic class, it will also be useful for other all aptitude examination where arithmetic it is tested. These are what we will do is 90 to 120 minutes. We will discuss a lot of concepts from only the topic arithmetic. Only the topic arithmetic. Shall we get into it? What I will do is, I will try my level best to teach you 10 to 15 shortcuts today. 10 to 15 concepts are shortcuts today, so that it will help you. Now, one by one, I will write down concept 1, concept 2 like that. Shall we start the class? The first one. Concept 1. Please write down, sir. Concept 1. Concept 1. Problems based on compound ratio. Problems based on compound ratio. Listen very carefully, sir. Problems based on compound ratio. Problems based on compound ratio. Highly repeated concept, ratios. It is an extremely important concept. There are 2 ways. Now see here. Concept 1A. Concept 1A. If I take 2 parameters, now A and B, either A can be directly proportional to B What do you mean by directly proportional? If A doubles, B also will be double, right? A and B are directly proportional to each other. If work increases, then I require more days to complete the work. A is proportional to B. A is directly proportional to B. Direct proportional. That means if A increases, B also increases. If A decreases, B also decreases. A and B are two parameters. A increases, B increases. A decreases, B decreases. A is directly proportional to B. Directly proportional to B. Suppose if time is constant, if time is constant, if time is constant, if speed increases, then the distance to reach the destination increases, I need to increase the speed. Suppose in 2 hours, I need to cover 240 kilometers. I need to go at 120 kilometers per hour. In 2 hours, I need to travel at 80 kilometers per hour to travel to 240 kilometers per hour. So if the distance increases, then obviously, right, if distance increases and if speed is constant, then time also increases. Like that you can take any parameter, sir, any parameter. I hope the idea it is clear. Speed is directly proportional to distance, distance is directly proportional to time. Like that example. A and B are directly proportional to each other. A increases, B increases. A decreases, B decreases. Now if you see, A is directly proportional to B. That means A equivalent to K into B. A equivalent to K into B. A by B is equivalent to K. A by B is equivalent to K. Very, very important parameter. If two parameters are directly proportional to each other, if two parameters are directly proportional to each other, what is constant? Ratio between the two parameters is constant. When A and B are directly proportional, right in the same order, sir. When A and B are directly proportional to each other, when A and B are directly proportional to each other, what is constant? Ratio is constant. Ratio is constant. I hope the idea it is clear. Ratio is constant. That means A by B it will be constant. Listen very carefully, sir. We will discuss a compound ratio application when two parameters are directly proportional to each other. Example. 3 examples I will solve. First one I will explain very neatly. Second we will solve fast. Third, without using pen, we will try to get the answer fast. A is to B is equivalent to 2 is to 3. B is to C is equivalent to 4 is to 5. A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C. A is to B is 2 is to 3. B is to C is 4 is to 5. I want A is to B is to C. I want A is to B is to C. Now listen carefully, sir. In A is to B is to C, what is the first variable? What is the first variable? A. To get the first variable, multiply all the first. 2 4s are 8. What is the last variable? Last variable it is C. To get the last variable, multiply all the last. 3 5s are 15. To get the first variable, multiply all the first values. To get the last variable, multiply all the last values. 3 5s are 15. Now if you see, this is A value. Next value it is B. This is the final A is to B. Compare with original A is to B. Originally the value of A is 2. Now it became 8. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are how much it will become? 12. 3 4s are how much it will become? 12. Again I am explaining. To get the first value, multiply all the first values. 2 4s are 8. To get the last value, multiply all the last values. 3 5s are 15. To get the first value, multiply all the first. To get the last value, multiply all the last. Next is A is to B. Compare with original A is to B. 2 became 8. 2 became 8. 2 4s are 8. If it is multiplied by 4, these also should be multiplied by 4. What is 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. Second one, A is to B equivalent to 3 is to 7. B is to C equivalent to 5 is to 9. C is to D equivalent to 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is to C is to D. Listen very carefully, sir. A is to B, 3 is to 7, B is to C, 5 is to 9, C is to D, 1 is to 2, find A is to B is to C is to D. What is the first variable? A. To get the first variable, multiply all the first. 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 15 1s are 15. To get the last variable, D. To get the last variable, multiply all the last variables. 7 9s are 63, 63 2s are 126. Are you all with me? Next one. A is to B. Compare with A is to B. Originally, what is the value? 3. 3 is becoming how much? 15. 3 5s are 15. 7 5s are 35. Are you all with me? Next one. Here it is B, next is C. B is to C. Compare with B is to C. Originally, what is the value? 5. 5 is becoming 35. If 5 becomes 35, 5 7s are 35. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. How easily you can solve the problem. Again, I am repeating it for the second time. A is to B is to C is to D. Originally, what is the first value? A. To get the value of first value, multiply all the first. 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15. What is the last variable? D. To get the last variable, multiply all the last variables. 7 9s are 63, 63 2s are 126. Next is A is to B. Compare with original A is to B. 3 became 15, 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. Are you all with me? Next is B is to C. 5 became 35. 5 7s are 35. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Third one. A is to B is equivalent to 2 is to 5. B is to C is equivalent to 3 is to 4. C is to D is equivalent to 1 is to 7. Answer will be A is to B is to C is to D. Answer for this question, A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is given 2 is to 5. B is to C is given 3 is to 4. C is to D is given 1 is to 7. To get the first variable A, to get the first variable, multiply all the first. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. To get the next variable, 2 is becoming 6. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Are you all with me? Next is B over, next is C. B became, 3 became 15. 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. C is 1. It became 20. 1 20s are 20. 7 20s are 140. 7 20s are 140. I hope the idea it is clear. To get the first variable, multiply all the first. 2 into 3 into 1, which is 6. To get the last variable, multiply all the last. 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140. Next is A is to B. 2 became 6. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Next is B is to C. 3 became 15. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. Are you all with me? Next is C is to D. 1 became 20. 7 will become 7. 20s are 140. To get the first variable, multiply the first values in the question. To get the last variable, multiply the last in the question. Then check it out. I hope the first concept it is clear. Concept 1, problems based on compound ratio. A and B are directly proportional. A and B are directly proportional. Directly proportional. Sir, what if it becomes inversely proportional? Listen carefully, sir. Concept 1B. Just you have to listen to the class, sir. I will take it in a way where you will find the concepts very easy. Concept 1B. Concept 1B. Listen carefully, sir. Here, A and B are inversely proportional. A and B are inversely proportional. A and B are inversely proportional. If A and B are inversely proportional, A equivalent to K by B. A into B is equivalent to K. A into B is equivalent to K. A and B are inversely proportional. If they are inversely proportional, that means which one will be constant? Product of two parameters will be constant. Here, whenever A and B are inversely proportional, what will be constant? Product will be constant. What will be constant? Product will be constant. A and B are inversely proportional. A increases, B decreases. A decreases, B increases. A decreases, B increases. A and B are inversely proportional. A becomes a double, B will become half. A becomes 1/3, B will become third. Right? Inversely proportional. Inversely proportional. If speed increases, time will decrease. Time will decrease. If length increases, breadth will decrease. If length increases, breadth will decrease. If price increases, consumption will decrease. Price increases, consumption will decrease. I hope the idea it is clear. Product of two parameters constant. Speed increases, time decreases. Length increases, breadth decreases. Price increases, consumption decreases. Concept 1A, when A and B are directly proportional to each other. Concept 1B, when A and B are inversely proportional to each other. First example, if 3A equivalent to 4B equivalent to 5C, find A is to B is to C. If 3A equivalent to 4B equivalent to 5C, find A is to B is to C. Very, very easy. 3 into A, 4 into B, 5 into C. Product it is constant. If the product it is constant, that means then they are inversely proportional to each other. I want A. If I want A, close these A, multiply all the other coefficients. What is 4 5s are 20. Next is B. If I want B, close B, multiply all the remaining coefficients. 3 5s are 15. If I want C, close C, multiply all the remaining coefficients. 3 4s are 12. Whatever variable that you require, close that variable, multiply all the remaining coefficients. I want A, close A, 4 5s are 20. I want B, close B, 3 5s are 15. I want C, close C. What is 3 4s are 12? I hope the idea it is clear. Answer for this question is 20 is to 15 is to 12. Second one, A equivalent to 2B equivalent to 3C equivalent to 5D. A equivalent to 2B equivalent to 3C equivalent to 5D. Find A is to B is to C is to D. Find A is to B is to C is to D. To get A, close A, multiply all the other remaining coefficients. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. To get B, close this one. 15 1s are 15. To get C, close this one. 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. To get D, close this one. It is 30 is to 15 is to 10 is to 6. A and B are directly proportional to each other, one concept. A and B are inversely proportional to one concept. He might ask you a question. Speed ratio is 3 is to 5 is to 7. What will be the time period ratio? What will be the time period ratio if it is the same distance? If it is the same distance. Listen carefully, sir. Speed ratio is 3 is to 5 is to 7. What will be the time period ratio? What will be the time period ratio to get the same distance? Listen carefully. Speed into time is a distance. Speed into time is a distance. Speed ratio, it is 3:5:7. 3T1 equivalent to 5T2 equivalent to 73. 3T1 equivalent to 5T2 equivalent to 73. So T1 is to T2 is to T3 is. To get T1, close T1. 5 sevens are 35. To get T2, close this one. 3 sevens are 21. To get T3, close this one. 3 fives are 15. 35 is to 21 is to 15. 35 is to 21 is to 15. I hope the idea it is clear. So if I want S into T as a distance, 3T1 equivalent to 5T2 equivalent to 73. To get time 1, close T1. 5 sevens are 35. To get T2, close T2. 3 sevens are 21. To get T3, close T3. 3 fives are 15. What is the answer for the question? 35 is to 21 is to 15. I hope this concept is clear. First concept, in that one, two concepts. Problems based on compound ratio, right? A and B are directly proportional, A and B are inversely proportional. Especially the students who are preparing for various bank examination, probability questions can also be asked. And in that one, dice questions also will be asked. Let us discuss. Concept 2 is based on, within seconds you can solve the question. Sum of two dice. Sum of two dice. Sum of two dice. Concept 2. Sum of two dice. Very interesting concept, sir. A dice will have a numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any die will have a numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you all with me? A die will have a numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose if I roll a die, what is the minimum value that will come on the die? 1. If I roll a die, what is the maximum value that will come? 6. But I am rolling how many times? 2 dice. That means minimum sum will be, minimum in first rolling it is 1, right? Second rolling also 1. Minimum sum will be 2. Minimum sum will be 2. Maximum sum will be, maximum sum when you roll a die once is 6, right? 2 times it is 12. Minimum sum 2. Maximum sum it is 12. That means I will get any sums from 2 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minimum sum it is 2. Maximum sum it is 12. Till here clear? Minimum sum it will be 1 plus 1, 2. Maximum sum it will be 6 plus 6, 12. These are the various sums possible. These are the various sums possible. These are the various sums possible. Let me take an average. This series is in arithmetic progression. This series is in arithmetic progression. Average in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. First value 2. Last value 12. 2 plus 12 by 2. 14 by 2. It is 7. 14 by 2. It is 7. Now listen carefully, sir. I am drawing a triangle. This method is called a triangle method. Why this is the triangle? I will tell you. The topmost vertex, write down the average 7. Write down the average sum. Minimum sum, it can be 2. It can be 3. It can be 4. It can be 5. It can be 6. This can be 8. This can be 9. This can be 10. This can be 11. This can be 12. Are you all with me? Average will be first term plus last term by 2. 2 plus 12 by 2, it is 7. 7 is the average. I kept it at the top edge of the triangle. Remaining sums, I wrote it on the left hand side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 to 7 and 8 to 12. Now see here. Very, very easy. Start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it will be. Come back to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you all with me? Sir, what is that you wrote it in the bracket? These are the ways. In how many ways will you get the sum as 2? 1 plus 1, 2. In how many ways will you get the sum as 3? 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. In how many ways will you get the sum as 6? 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 1. Are you all with me? The one which we wrote it in the bracket, it is a number of ways. You don't need to count it. By using these triangle, you can solve the question very, very fast. Probability. Probability is number of favorable cases. Probability is defined by number of favorable cases by total number of cases. Number of favorable cases by total cases. Probability is defined as number of favorable cases by total cases. Very, very important. Otherwise, you will take a lot of time. Now see here, 4 to 5 questions which we will solve. Easily you will get, sir. Probability of sum 8. Probability of getting a sum 8. Sum 8. How many ways are there? 5 ways are there. Total cases. First die can give any of the 6 values. Second die any of the 6 values. Answer will be 5 by 36. Answer will be 5 by 36. Probability it is number of favorable cases by total number of cases. Probability of getting a sum 8. So number of favorable cases it will be 5. By total cases it will be 6 into 6. I hope the idea it is clear. Probability of getting sum 3 or 11. Probability of getting a sum 3 or 11. 3 how much it is? 2. 11 how much it is? 2. 4 by 36 which is 1 by 9. Which is 1 by 9. Are you all with me? Probability of getting some prime number. Easily you will get it. Probability of getting a some prime number. Some prime number. Which all cases? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. 2 what is the case? 1. 3 what is the case? 2. 5 what is the case? 4. 7 what is the case? 6. 11 what is the case? 2. Divided by total cases it is 60. 10, 15 by 36. 5 by 12. Answer for this question is 5 by 12. Probability it is defined as number of favorable cases by total number of cases. Triangle method. I hope the concept is clear. All that methods that we are discussing are unique shortcuts which you will not find in regular textbook. So pay extra attention to the class. Probability is defined as number of favorable cases by total number of cases. Number of favorable cases by total number of cases. I hope the idea it is clear, right, sir? I hope the some odd number. Some odd number means don't click on the odd numbers and write down the values. Odd number probability will be 1 by 2. Even number probability also it will be 1 by 2. Odd number 1 by 2 and even number 1 by 2. Triangle method, sum of 2 dice. Sir, is there any method to determine sum of 3 dice? That also we will see. Concept 3. Concept 3. Listen very carefully, sir. Concept 3. Sum of 3 dice. Once you know it, you can solve these problems very, very fast. Sum of 3 dice. A die will have any value from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A die will have any value from 1 to 6. What is the minimum value when you roll it once? 1. You are rolling the die 3 times. You are rolling the die 3 times. That means what will be the minimum sum? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Minimum sum will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. Maximum sum will be 6 plus 6 plus 6, it is 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6, it is 18. Minimum sum it is 3. Maximum sum it is 18. That means what are all the various sums possible? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to 15, 16, 17, 18. These are the various sums possible. These are the various sums possible. Are you all with me? These are the various sums possible. It can be any value from 3 to 18, right? Is the sequence, is it in arithmetic progression? Yes. Is the sequence is in arithmetic progression? Yes. So average will be first term plus last term by 2. FT plus LT by 2. FT stands for first term. LT stands for last term. First term it is 3. Last term it is 18. 3 plus 18 by 2. 21 by 2. I got 10.5. I got 10.5. Average, if it is an integer, I would have kept it at the top edge. 10.5. What are the integers? Just less than 10.5, 10. What are the integers? Just greater than 10.5, 11. So I will not get a triangle. I will keep a straight line. Why? Because average is an decimal value. It is a 10.5. Integer less than 10.5, greater than 10.5. Draw a line here, draw a line here. Draw a line here. I hope the idea it is clear. What are the various sums? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here what are all the various sums? It will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 to 10 and 11 to 18. 3 to 10 and 11 to 18. I hope the idea it is clear. Why it is not a triangle? Why? Because average is a decimal value. So it is 10.5. I wrote a line. Here it is 10. Here it is 11. All the sums will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now see here. Now see here. There is a series by name triangular numbers. There is a series by name triangular numbers. If you know this series, the sum of 3 dice can be solved very easily. Triangular series is 1, increase 2, increase 3, increase 4, increase 5, increase 6, increase 7, increase 8, and so on. Here it is plus 2 increase. Here it is plus 3 increase, plus 4 increase, plus 5 increase, plus 6 increase. This is a very famous triangular series. Triangular series. One important property with respect to triangular series is sum of any two consecutive numbers. It is a perfect square. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 it is a perfect square. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 it is 3 square. 6 plus 10, 16. 16 it is 4 square. 10 plus 15, 25. It is 5 square. 15 and 21. It is 6. 36, 6 square. I hope it is clear. Sum of any two consecutive numbers. It is always a perfect square. Just write down these triangular series. What is the triangular series? Just write like this. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Generally, most of the students will do a mistake. Just write down from 1 to 21. Here also, from 1 to 21. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. 1 to 21. Generally, here you might write it as plus 6 plus 7, 28. 28 is incorrect. Why? Because in 28 case, there is a value 7 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 plus 1. A die value cannot exceed beyond 6. A die value cannot exceed beyond 6. So, 3 cases needs to be omitted. In 28, 3 cases needs to be omitted. What is that other case? 25. 25. It is a triangular series, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. You will write 28. In that 28, 3 cases are omitted. What are that cases? 1 plus 7 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1 plus 1. So 28, 3 cases are omitted. So it is 25. After 21, what is the perfect square? 25. After 21, what is the perfect cube? 27. You can remember like this. After 21, otherwise doing 21 cases, it is a very time consuming process. After 21, what is the perfect square? 25. After 21, what is the perfect cube? 27. So right side it will be 27, 21, 15, 10, 6, 3, 1. I hope the idea it is clear. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. After 21, perfect square is 25. After 21, perfect cube is 27. Suppose if I want the question, find the probability of getting the sum 10. Please do not cases and waste your time. Sum getting 10. Total how many ways are there? 27. 3 times I am rolling. 6 into 6 into 6. So answer will be 27 divided by 216. 27 divided by 216 is 1 by 8. Find the probability of getting sum 5 or 13. Sum 5 or 13. 5 it will be 6. 13 it will be 21. 13 it will be, here it is 25. 21. 6 plus 21 divided by 216. 6 plus 21 divided by 216. Sum of 3 dice can be solved very easily by using these concept. What is that concept? I am using triangular series. What is triangular series? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 and so on. Are you all with me? And so on. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Here, write down this sequential order. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. If I write plus 7, 28. In that 28 cases, 3 cases will be eliminated. 1 plus 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 plus 1. 3 cases are eliminated. 28, 3 cases are eliminated. It will be 25. After 21, what is the perfect square? 25. After 21, what is the perfect cube? 27. So remember this one. If you draw this diagram, very simple. Any die will have a numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minimum value on a die is 1. If I roll it 3 times, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Maximum it is 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. So 3 to 18. Average it is. The series is in arithmetic progression. If it is in arithmetic progression, average is first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. 3 plus 18 by 2. 21 by 2, which is 10.5. 10.5, integer less than 10.5, 10, integer greater than 10.5, it is 11. I hope the idea it is clear. What a student is finding it difficult, the idea is to discuss that concept. Idea is to discuss that concept. I hope the idea it is clear. Concept 4, extremely important concept, sir. Everybody pay ultra attention to this concept. Concept 4. Successive percentage. Concept 4. Successive percentage. Concept 4. Successive percentage. Listen very carefully. Concept 4. Concept 4. Successive percentage. Sir, what exactly you mean by successive percentage? Right? Percentage on percentage or repeated application on percentage. That is called successive percentage. Repeated application of a percentage. That is called successive percentage. Repeated application of percentage is called successive percentage. First see the concept. First I will tell you the traditional method, how students will solve. Then I will discuss the optimal method. Concept. They will use more or less a formula. If the initial value is 100, initial value is 100. On 120 percentage increase. On 120 percentage increase, it is 120. On 120 increase, it is plus 20. on 120, 30% increase. 120, 30% increase. 10% of 120, it is 12. 30% is 36. So the final value is 156. Final value is 156. On 100, 20% more. 20 by 100. On 120 more, it is 120. 30%, 10% of 120, it is 12. 30% is 36. 36 more. So it will be 120 plus 36, which is 156. 100 to 156. Overall, what is the increase? 56%. Overall, what is the increase? 56%, which can be given by A plus B plus A into B by 100. A plus B plus A into B by 100. Almost everybody who is watching this video, right, you can conclude that it is 56%. 120 more, 120. On 120, 30% more plus 36. Final value is 156. 100 is becoming 156. Overall increase is 56%. A plus B plus A into B by 100. Almost everybody uses this concept to solve the problem. My idea behind discussing this concept is you don't need to use these formulae. You don't need to use these formulae. Unless and until it is required, you can avoid these formulae. A plus B plus A into B by 100%. A plus B plus A into B by 100%. Listen carefully. First question. Length is increased by 20%. Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by, listen carefully, sir. Breadth is increased by 12%, 10%. Breadth is increased by 10%. Find the percentage change. Find the percentage change in area. Find the percentage change in area. Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by 10%. Find the percentage change in area. Find the percentage change in area. Method 1. How students will use this method? Method 1. Suppose if options are 34%, 28%, 32%, 42%. Listen very carefully, sir. Extremely important logic. Length is increased by 20%. Breadth is increased by 10%. Find the percentage change in area. You will blindly substitute 20 plus 10 plus 20 into 10 divided by 100. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32%. First one, what is the answer? 32%. This is a formulae method. This is the formulae method. Listen very carefully to method 2 and method 3. Method 2 and method 3. Method 1, I'm sure everybody who is watching this video might have solved it using a formulae. Sir, can I avoid formulae? Can I eliminate answer options? Yes. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Area equivalent to length into breadth. Length is increased by 20. On 120 increase, it is 120. Breadth is increased by 10. On 110 increase, it is 110. Are you all with me? So, 1 2s are, this concept is rightmost non-zero digit. Rightmost non-zero digit. 1 2s are 2. Answer rightmost non-zero digit should be 2. Answer rightmost non-zero digit should be 2. Then, right, two options are eliminated just by looking at a question. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. Answer, rightmost non-zero digit should be 2. 120 digital sum is 3. 110 digital sum is 2. 3 2s are 6. Answer, digital sum should be 6. Answer, digital sum should be 6. On 132 increase, 32 increase will be 132. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Answer, digital sum it is 6. Finish. Very, very huge values you will get it. Answer very easily. Again see here. Length is increased by 20%. On 120 more, 120. Breadth is increased by 10%. On 100, 10 more, it will be 110. 120 digital sum is 3. 110 digital sum is 2. What is 3 2s are 6. Answer, digital sum should be 6. On 100, 32 increase. On 132 increase, how much it will become? 132. 132, what is the digital sum? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Is the idea clear? Slowly, 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 you will understand the beauty of this concept. I hope the idea it is clear. Second one. Second one. Speed is increased by 40%. Speed is increased by 40%. Time is decreased by 10%. 10%. Distance increases by what percentage? Distance increases by what percentage? Option is 24%, 32%, 32%, 34%, 26%. Once you understand the concepts, then it will be very easy. Speed increases by 40%. Time decreases by 10%. Distance changes by what percentage? Distance changes by what percentage? What most of the students will be doing it is, A is positive 40, B is negative minus 10, 40 minus 10. Wherever it is a down arrow or decrease, take the negative value. 40 into minus 10 divided by 100. 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 minus 4. It is 26%. It is 26%. This is one way. This is one way. Right? Now see here. Slowly, if 3 are given, 4 are given, how to solve that also we will do. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. Method 2. Method 2. 40% on 140 increase, it is 140. Are you all with me? Time decreases by 10%. Time decreases by 10%. On 110 decrease, it will be 90. 9 4s are 36. Answer, rightmost non-zero digit should be 6. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything. Answer for this question is 26. Are you all with me? 4 9s are 26. Answer, rightmost it will be 6. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Second one, you can also use digital sum. You can also use digital sum. So on 100, 5 9s are 45. From there also you can use a digital sum. That also will give you the answer. I hope the idea it is clear. There is no doubt, right? On 100, right, 26 increase. That also you can use the concept of digital sum. On 110 increase, here you will get 49s are 126. So 126. So increase is 26%. I think the idea should be very, very clear. Third one, increased by, for example, 25%. Consumption, let me take 50%. Consumption decreased by 20%. Consumption decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in expenditure. Percentage change, how much it is. Price increases by 50%, consumption decreases by 20%. Consumption decreases by 20%. Find the change in expenditure. Listen very carefully, sir. One way to do, it is 50. Consumption, it is decreasing, minus 20. So 50 into minus 20 divided by 100. 50 minus 20 is 30. 30 minus 10, it is 20%. 30 minus 10, it is 20%. Price is increasing by 50, it is plus 50. Consumption decreases by 20, minus 20. A plus B plus A into B by 100. 50 minus 20 is 30. 30 minus 10, 20%. Sir, how can we do this? By using this method too. See here, price increases by 50%. On 150 increases, 150. Consumption decreases by 20%. It is on 80. 15 8s are 120. 120, what is the rightmost non-zero digit? 2. What is the rightmost non-zero digit? 2. Rightmost non-zero digit is an extremely important logic, sir. Rightmost non-zero digit, it is an extremely important logic. Some more examples. Listen carefully, sir. P is 1800. R is 7%. R is 7%. Find the amount after first year. It is in compound interest. Find the amount after first year. On 1800, there is a 7% increase. It is 1.07. Are you all with me? Please do not find out any value. Write 7 8s are. What is 7 8s are? 56. Answer rightmost non-zero digit should be 6. I hope the idea it is clear. Answer rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 6. 8 7s are 56. Suppose if it is amount after 2 years, it is 1.07 whole square. Am I right? On 100, 7% more. First year, second year also. On 100, 7% more. 7 square, 14, 9. 9 8s are 72. Rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 2. Rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 2. Extremely important concept. Unnecessarily you will waste your time in doing the calculation. You should not do the calculation. 8 7s are 56, 6. 9 8s are 72, 2. Amount after first year, amount after second year. Suppose for example, right here, if the question is, this is one example of rightmost non-zero digit. 107 is becoming 428. 123 will become how much? 123 will become how much? 127. 107 is becoming 428. 123 is becoming. This can come as a part of your calculation. Please don't do any calculation. 7 is becoming 8. 7 is becoming 8. Which multiple of 7 I will get? 8. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. It is into 4 times. 3 also it is into 4 times. 3 4s are 12. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. How much it will become? 2. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. How much it will become? 2. I hope the idea it is clear. 7 is becoming 8. 7 4s are 28. 3 4s are 12. Answer rightmost non-zero digit will be 2. Rightmost non-zero digit is an extremely important logic in an arithmetic. This will tremendously help you not only in arithmetic but also in DI related problems. I hope the idea it is clear. Fourth question. Fourth question. A increases by 20%. B increases by 30%. C increases by 40%. A into B into C increases by what percentage? A into B into C. There are three parameters. A increases by 20%. B increases by 30%. C increases by 40%. Simple. On 120 increase, it is 120. On 130 increase, 130. On 140 increase, 140. Rightmost non-zero digit. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. It should be 4. And what it should be the digital sum? Here it is 120, it is 3. 130, it is 4. 140, it is 5. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Answer digital sum should be 6. Answer digital sum should be 6 and rightmost non-zero digit should be 4. Answer rightmost non-zero digit should be 4 and digital sum 6. No mathematics required, simple common sense. On 120 more, 120. On 130 more, 130. On 140 more, 140. 4 into 3, 12. 2 into 2, 4. Rightmost non-zero digit, it is 4. Digital sum, 3 4s are 12, 12 is 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 plus 5, 6. I hope you got the idea by this time. I am sure by this time you should be able to solve a lot of questions. Markup percentage, 60%. All the questions, the best thing in aptitude is, if you know one concept, you can solve a lot of problems very, very easily. Markup percentage, 60%. Discount percentage, it is 30%. 30%. Right? What will be the profit percentage? What will be the profit percentage? Markup percentage is 60%. Discount percentage is 30%. What will be the profit percentage? Listen carefully, sir. Markup. Markup means I went to a shop, bought a water bottle. There is no label on that water bottle. I attached my own label. Suppose I bought it at 10 rupees. I attached my own label at 12 rupees. That is called markup percentage. Markup is, I bought it at 10, labeled at 12. Markup is MP minus CP. MP minus CP. So I went to a shop, bought a product at 10 rupees. I labeled it at 12. My friend came. He said, please give me that water bottle. I sold it out at 8 rupees. I sold it out at 8 rupees. That is called discount. So actually price marked on the product is 12. I sold it out at 8. MP minus ESP. MP minus ESP, it is a discount percentage. MP minus ESP, it is discount percentage. Listen carefully. So first, A is positive, 60. Discount is negative, minus 30. 60 minus 30 plus 60 into minus 30 divided by 100. A is positive, B is negative. 60 minus 30 plus 60 into minus 30 by 100. This is 30. This is minus 18. 30 minus 18, it is 12%. 30 minus 18, it is 12%. Exactly this kind of question was asked in your question. You will do it as 12%. But if you ask me, I will always keep an eye on the answer option. Markup 60. There is an increase of 60. So this will become 160. On 100, there is a discount of 30. On 100, 30 discount, it will become 70. Right, see here. 7 6 are 42. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. Answer rightmost non-zero digit. How much it should be? How much it should be? 2. It is 2. In case if you want to check it out also, on 100, 12 increase, It is 120. 160, what is the digital sum? 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49, what is the digital sum? 4. 112, what is the digital sum? 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So left hand side 4, right hand side 4. 160, digital sum is 7. Are you all with me? 70, what is the digital sum? 7. 7 sevens are 49. What is 4 plus 9? 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 112, what is the digital sum? 4. You can use the rightmost non-zero digit. You can use the concept of digital sum also. You can use the concept of digital sum also. I hope the idea it is clear. One more question. These, if you should know it, 3 successive discounts of 3 successive discounts of 10 percentage, 20 percentage, 10 percentage, 20 percentage, and 30 percentage is equal to single discount of 3 successive discounts of 10 percentage, 20 percentage, and 30 percentage is equivalent to single discount of. Listen carefully, sir. 3 successive discounts of 10, 20, and 30. Do not use any formulas. On 100, 10 decrease. How much it will be? 90. On 100, 20 decrease. How much it will be? 80. On 100, 30 decrease. How much it will be? 70. 9, 8, 7, 8s are 56. 6, 6 9s are 54. Answer, rightmost non-zero digit. Answer, rightmost non-zero digit. It should be 4. Are you all with me? Answer, rightmost non-zero digit. It should be 4. Digital sum, 9 into any number. 9 into any number. Answer, digital sum should be 9. Rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 4. Digital sum, it should be 9. On 100, 10 decrease, 90. On 100, 20 decrease, 80. On 100, 30 decrease, 70. 7 8s are 56. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. I hope the idea it is clear. I am sure you all are enjoying these concepts. 7th one. Principal equivalent to, suppose for example, 5,000. R percentage is 18 percentage. N is 2 years. N is 2 years. Amount equivalent to how much? 6762. Listen carefully, sir. 6862. 6962. 7062. 7062. P is 5,000. Principal is 5,000. R is 18 percentage. N is 2 years. Amount is how much? 6762, 6862, 6962, and 7062. No formulas, nothing. Right? 3 questions I will solve. How much I took from my friend? 5,000. In first year, 18 percentage. 18 percentage is 18 by 100. That means if I take 100 rupees from my friend, I have to give how much extra? 18 extra I have to give. It is 118. If it is 100 after first year, it is 118. Second year, instead of 100, 18 rupees more, it is 118. It is 118. I hope the idea it is clear. Now if you see here, 5,000, digital sum is 5. 118. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. It is 1. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1. Answer, digital sum, it is 5. Answer, digital sum, it is 5. See here, 6, 9, 6, 2. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. What is 2 plus 3? 5. What is 2 plus 3? 5. I hope the idea it is clear. Just by looking at a question itself, you will get the answer. Sir, what if it is right? 6926. Same digital sum if it is there. 6926. What you will do? 8 8s are 64. 4. 4 5s are 20. 20, what is the rightmost non-zero digit? 2. How can it be 6926? How can it be 6926? Are you all with me? I hope you have understood the doubt. Any doubts are there? Kindly put it in the live chat. I will see it. Kindly put it in the live chat. Any doubts are there? Till now, any doubt you got in any of these questions? Any doubts are there till now? I am sure no doubts are there. I hope you are all enjoying this class. Very, very simple problems solved very effectively, sir. Simple problems solved very effectively. Sir, what if there is an option 6872? 6872. A smart student might ask me a doubt. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. What is 2 plus 3, 5? Sir, what if there is an option 6872? Each and every question, analyze it after the class. Now see here. 118. I took digital sum concept. What is the another concept I took? I took rightmost non-zero digit logic. Rightmost non-zero digit logic. These also I took. Then let me take last 2 digits logic. Then let me take last 2 digits logic. Last 2 digits. What it is? 18. What it is? 5. 18 into 18 into 5. Last 2 digits. 18 square. 18 square is 324. 324 into 5. 5 I can write it as 10 by 2. Last 2 digits should be 62. Last 2 digits it is 72. Not possible. Last 2 digits it is 72. Not possible. 5000 into 118 into 118. 118, what are the last 2 digits? 18. I'm sorry. 118, what are the last 2 digits? 18. 18 into 18 into 5. 18 18s are 324. 324 into 5. 5 I can write it as a 10 by 2. So 2 162 into 0. Rightmost last 2 digits. It has to be 62. It cannot be 72. Right after the class is over, each and every question, analyze it. Understand how am I solving the question. Understand easy methods, best methods and fastest methods. Same logic. I am using sometimes profit loss and discount. I am using sometimes 3 changes, 2 changes. But the idea remains the same. But the idea remains the same. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, I think all the doubts are clear. So let me solve some more problems. P equivalent to 20,000. P equivalent to 20,000. These CI most of the students uses formulas. No need of using any formulas. P is 20,000. R is 10%. N is 3 years. Amount is how much? 26,260. 26,620. 27,620. 28,620. 28,620. Listen carefully, sir. P is 20,000, R is 10%, N is 3 years. Amount equivalent to. So, amount equivalent to. Principal, it is 20,000. 20,000. 10%. On 100, 10 increase. It will be 110 by 100. Second year, on 100, again 10 increase. It is 110 by 100. Third year, it is on 100, again 10 increase. It is 110 by 100. Use the rightmost non-zero digit. Rightmost non-zero digit. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Rightmost non-zero digit. It should be 2. Rightmost non-zero digit. It should be 2. 110, it is 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16, what is the digital sum? 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. It is 7. These are not 7. You don't need to use any pen on the paper to solve this kind of questions. 20,000. Digital sum is 2. On 110 increase, 110. On 110 increase, 110. On 110 increase, 110. 2, 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16, what is the digital sum? 7. Keep always an eye on the answer options. Keep always an eye on the answer option. I hope the idea it is clear, right, sir? P is 20,000. Suppose if the question is amount is 847, R percentage is 10%, N is 2 years, amount is 849, R is 10%, N is 2 years. Find the principal. Find the principal. Listen carefully. 700, 600, 650 and 720. If options are like this, 700, 600, 650 and 720. Once the fundamentals are clear, then IBPS Clerk PYQ questions will be cakewalk for you. Now if you see, what is the final amount? It is 847. Principal, after first year, instead of 100, it is 10 more. Second year, instead of 100, it is 10 more. 1 ones are 1. 1 sevens are only will give you 7. 1 sevens are only will give you 7. So answer for this question is 700. 5 seconds it will take to solve the question in case if your concepts are very, very clear. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. 1 ones are 1. 1 into 7 only will give you 7. So rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 7. Is the idea clear? Rightmost non-zero digit, it should be 7. This has given you some idea about how to solve these questions. How to solve. Next, very beautiful concept, sir. Application of 10-15 problems we will solve under this model. Application of LCM. Application of LCM in time, speed and distance. In the forthcoming classes, I will do under time and work. I will do under time and work. How to use digital sum concept. Idea it is clear. How to use rightmost non-zero digit. I hope the idea it is clear. Absolutely in our class, there we are only going by the logic. We are not going to use any of the complicated formulas. If a problem is taking little more time to solve, then I will optimize the method and I will teach you some better methods. These 10 problems, listen very carefully, sir. Application of LCM in time, speed and distance. A person starts from home at 8 kilometers per hour. He reaches office 12 minutes late. He reaches office 12 minutes late. Next day, he starts at 12 kilometers per hour. He reaches office 8 minutes early. He reaches office 8 minutes early. Find the distance from home to office. Find the distance from home to office. 8 kilometers per hour, 12 minutes late. 12 kilometers per hour, 8 minutes early. Question will be there in an English statement that I am condensing it directly. Now, 2 questions are important. Next 8 questions are follow-up questions of these 2 questions. Anil Nair started from home. He started at 8 kilometers per hour. He reached office 12 minutes late. He reached office 12 minutes late. Next day, he started at 12 kilometers per hour. He reached office 8 minutes early. Every day, he is traveling from home to office. Every day, he is traveling from home to office. What is constant? Distance is constant. What is constant? Distance is constant. Are you all with me? Every day, Anil Nair is traveling from home to office. What is constant? Distance is constant. What do you mean by constant? Constant, it is a fixed quantity. Constant, it is a fixed quantity. Constant is a fixed quantity. Your rule number is constant. Your hall ticket number is constant. Your bike number is constant. Your mobile number is constant. Distance is constant. Constant is a fixed quantity. Fix any quantity that comes into your mind. Fix any quantity that comes into your mind. I will take the LCM of the given value. Sir, can I multiply both of them? Yes, you can do. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24 kilometers. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24 kilometers. I took the LCM of the given speeds. Sir, why you took the LCM of the given speeds? Distance from home to office is constant. Constant is a fixed quantity. I fixed the quantity to be 24. First day, it will be 3 hours. 1 hour, 8 kilometers. 24 kilometers, it is 3 hours. Second day, it is 2 hours. Second day, it is 2 hours. 1 hour, 12. 24, it is 2 hours. That means if the distance is 24 kilometers, time is 3 hours, 2 hours. Gap is 60 minutes. Gap is 60 minutes. 3 hours and 2 hours. Gap is 60 minutes. If 9 o'clock is the office time, 9:12 minutes late, 9:12. 8 minutes early, 8:52. 9:12 to 8:52. 9 o'clock is the office time. 12 minutes late, 9:12. 8 minutes early, 8:52. 8:52 to 9. 8. 9 to 9:12, 12 minutes. 8 plus 12 is 20 minutes. 60 minutes, the distance is 24. 20 minutes, how much? 60 by 3, 20. 24 by 3. What will be the answer? 8 kilometers. 24 by 3, 8 kilometers. 60 by 3, 20. 24 by 3, 8. Again, I am repeating. 8 and 12. LCM, it is 24 kilometers. Day 1, 3 hours. Day 2, 2 hours. 3 hours, 2 hours. Gap is 1 hour. 1 hour, it is 60 minutes. 60 minutes, the distance is 24 kilometers. But according to the question, 12 minutes aage, 8 minutes piche. 12 minutes forward, 8 minutes backward. It is 20. 60 by 3, 20. 24 by 3, 8 kilometers. 24 by 3, 8 kilometers. I hope the idea it is clear. Is the concept clear to you? Now I will take a lot of questions. Distance is constant, sir. Distance is constant. Second one, 1 by 1 variations we will do. 20 kilometers per hour. 20 kilometers per hour. 11 minutes late. 20 kilometers per hour. 11 minutes late. 30 kilometers per hour. 19 minutes early. 30 kilometers per hour. 19 minutes early. Find the distance from home to office. Find the distance from home to office. Please tell the answer very fast. 20 kilometers per hour, 11 minutes late. 30 kilometers per hour, 19 minutes early. 20, 30. What is the LCM? 60. 60 kilometers. First day, how many hours? 3 hours. Second day, how many hours? 2 hours. 3 hours, 2 hours. Gap is how much? 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Are you all with me? 60 kilometers, 60 minutes. 11 minutes forward, 19 minutes backward. It is 30 minutes. 61s are 60, 31s are 30. Within seconds you can solve the problem if your concepts are very good. 20, 30, every day from home to office. What is constant? Distance is constant. If distance is constant, take the LCM of the speeds. 20, 30, 60. First day, 3 hours. Second day, 2 hours. Gap is 1 hour. 1 hour, it is 60 minutes. 60 minutes, it is 60 kilometers. 11 आगे, right, 19 पीछे. 11 forward, 19 backward. 30. 60 is becoming 60. 30 will become 30. I hope the idea it is clear, right, sir? Please tell me this answer, sir. 6 kilometers per hour. 34 minutes late. 6 kilometer per hour. 34 minutes late. 9 kilometer per hour. 14 minutes late. 14 minutes late. Find the distance from home to office. Find the distance from home to office. 6 kilometer per hour, 34 minutes late. 9 kilometer per hour, 14 minutes late. Here the question is late and late. 6 and 9, LCM it is 18 kilometers. First day, 3 hours. Second day, 2 hours. 3 hours, 2 hours. Gap is 1 hour. Are you with me? If 9 o'clock is the office time, 34 minutes late, 9:34. 14 minutes late, 9:14. 9:34, 9:14. What is the gap? 20 minutes. For 1 hour, 60 is becoming 18, 20 by 3. 18 by 3, 6 kilometers. How easily you can solve this question. 6 and 9, LCM it is 18. This is 3 hours. This is 2 hours. Gap is 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes it is 18 kilometer. 34 forward. 14 also forward. Instead of 9 o'clock, I reached 34 minutes late. 9:34. Instead of 9 o'clock, I reached 14 minutes late. 9:14. Gap is 20 minutes. 60 by 3, 20. 18 by 3, 6 kilometers. 18 by 3, 6 kilometers. Idea clear? Fourth one. 15 kilometers per hour. 15 kilometers per hour. If it is late and early, I need to add it. 11 plus 19 is 30. If it is late and late, I need to subtract it. 34 minus 14 is 20. 15 kilometers per hour. 42 minutes late. 15 kilometers per hour. 42 minutes late. 20 kilometers per hour. 2 minutes late. Tell me the answer. 20 kilometer per hour, 12 minutes late. Find the distance. 15 kilometer per hour, 42 minutes late. 20 kilometer per hour, 12 minutes late. What will be the answer? Fatafat. Tell me fast, sir. 15, 20, it is 60. First day, it is 4 hours. Second day, it is 3 hours. 4 hours, 3 hours, gap is 1 hour. Late means subtract. 30 minutes, how much? 60 ones are 60, 30 ones are 30. Are you all with me? You don't need to do on a paper also pen. Orally, if you little practice it, you can solve this question very, very fast. Time, speed and distance, time and work is an extremely important concept. Fourth one. Fifth one. 20 kilometer per hour, 7 p.m. 20 kilometer per hour, 7 p.m. 30 kilometer per hour, 30 kilometer per hour, 4 p.m. Find the distance from home to office. Find the distance from home to office. 20 kilometer per hour, 7 p.m. 30 kilometer per hour, 4 p.m. 20, 30. 20, 30. What is the LCM? 60. First day, how many hours? 3 hours. Second day, how many hours? 2 hours. 3 hours, 2 hours. What is the gap? 1 hour. What is the gap? 1 hour. 4 p.m., 7 p.m. What is the gap? 3 hours. 1 3s are 3. 63s are 180. Are you all with me? I hope it is clear. If it is clear to you, kindly solve this question. 25 kilometers per hour, 9 p.m. Within seconds, I want an answer from the viewers who are watching this video. To reach at 50 kilometer per hour, 7 p.m. To reach at 8 p.m., what will be the answer? Tell me the answer in seconds. Tell me the answer in seconds. Tell me the answer in seconds. 25 kilometer per hour, 9 p.m. 50 kilometer per hour, 7 p.m. 25, 50, it is 50. 50 kilometers. First day 2 hours, second day 1 hour, gap is 1 hour, 7 p.m., 9 p.m., it is 2 hours. So answer will be 100. Answer will be 100. I hope the idea it is clear, right, sir? Very, very easy question. Sir, can I use these questions to trains, boats and streams also? That also you can use it. That also we will discuss in the further classes. I hope the glimpse it is clear. Sixth one. Sir, can I use it in trains? Because there may be a doubt. Let us discuss. There are 2 stops, A and B. First train, train 1, takes 4 hours. Listen carefully, sir, to go from A to B. Train 1 starts at point A. It takes 4 hours. It takes 4 hours to travel and reach the destination B. Train 1. Train 2. Train 2 takes 6 hours. Train 2 takes 6 hours to go from B to A. To go from B to A. At what time will they meet? At what time will they meet? At what time will they meet? Listen very carefully, sir. Question. Train 1 starts from point A, travels 4 hours and reaches the destination B. Train 2 starts from point B, travels 6 hours and reach point A. At what time will they meet? Very, very easy, sir. A to B, how many hours it is taking? 4 hours. B to A, how many hours it is taking? 6 hours. A person is traveling from A to B and he is traveling from B to A. What is constant? Distance is constant. Let D equivalent to LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12 kilometers. Let D is 12 kilometers. S1 will be 3 kilometers per hour. Are you all with me? 12 kilometers in 4 hours. 3 kilometers per hour. S2 will be 12 kilometers in 6 hours. It will be 2 kilometers per hour. It will be 2 kilometers per hour. Are you all with me? 12 kilometers in 4 hours. 3 kilometers per hour. 12 kilometers in 6 hours. 2 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour, first train starts and travels 3 kilometers. B travels 2 kilometers. That means both of them travels how much? 5 kilometers. Are you all with me? Both of them travels how much? 5 kilometers. In 1 hour, he will travel 3 kilometers. In 1 hour, he will travel 2 kilometers. Total how much it is? 5 kilometers. But actually what is the distance I require? 12 kilometers I require. So this will be 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. It is 2 hours. 2/5 of 60. It is 24 minutes. 2 hours, 24 minutes. That means they will reach after 2 hours, 24 minutes. They will reach after 2 hours, 24 minutes. From whatever the time. If it is 8 o'clock, both the trains are starting at 8, answer will be 10:24 a.m. Are you all with me? 4 and 6. First train 4 hours, second train 6 hours. D is LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12. First train 3 kilometers per hour, second train 2 kilometers per hour. After 1 hour, left side it will travel 3, this will travel 2. So total it is 5. But I require 12. So it is 12 by 5. 2 hours, 2/5 of an hour. 2 hours, 2/5 of an hour is 24 minutes. From 8 o'clock, after 2 hours, 24 minutes, they will reach. That means they will reach at 10:24. I hope the concepts are clear. First class of arithmetic, full of concepts class. Kindly watch this class. We will discuss the original PYQ questions from these concepts and shortcuts, whatever we discussed. In case if you are enjoying this special series, kindly click on the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any of the class. I will come once again this probably Saturday to take another session, which will be the PYQ of arithmetic. Thanks a lot for attending this special live class. With love, ACE online team.